Hey, mold processing professionals, say goodbye to inefficiency with the GM 2016 Gantry Machining Center. Engineered with top-notch tech for precision and speed, this machine will take your productivity to the next level. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, this marvel of machinery is designed to skyrocket your productivity and profitability. Utilizing advanced solid work design and finite element analysis, the GM 2016 has been meticulously optimized to ensure unparalleled stability and precision, even during high-speed operations. With an impressive range of axis travel, x-axis 2.1 meter, y-axis 1.65 meter, and z-axis 0.7 meter, and a robust workable load capacity of 4,000 kilograms. This versatile machine can handle all your milling, drilling, and tamping needs with ease. Achieve seamless multi-task compound processing and revolutionize your mold production like never before. Revolutionize your mold production with the GM 2016, the ultimate tool for success.